Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you is Windows 11 hit or flop. Windows 11 is an operating system developed by Microsoft company in 2021. Windows 11 has really cool design. But Windows 11 first build hasn't Windows Power features. For an example, old context menu, drag and drop to taskbar and folders preview. And Windows 11 cannot run in old PCs, because it is very heavy. Therefore, Windows 11 users do not like Windows 11. And now Microsoft rebuilding Windows 11 for better OS. Those lost features are back in Windows 11. I think this new Windows 11 is good. What you think about it? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you later.